Sephora that interested me, and I am doing a review for each product, reviewing the concealer individually for each video, so you don't have to watch the whole entire video when you're just interested in like the highlighter, so it really saves you time that way. Each review would be individual products instead of like all in one. So what product are you guys mostly interested in trying? Selena Gomez Rare Beauty collection. What is the most product that you wanted to try? Go comment down below, smash that like button if you're excited for makeup and see how these are. Now we are moving on to the Rare Beauty Liquid Luminizer drops. This is a highlighter, I believe. Yeah, this is a liquid highlighter. I've never used anything like this before, so this is new. I usually like to go for a powdered highlighter because it gives it that blinding highlighter that's so beautiful, which I love that nice highlighted look. But let's see how this goes. This is so beautiful. So it's like a doe foot applicator. The packaging is really thoughtful, and percentage of the makeup that is exclusive to Sephora being donated, which is an amazing cause. So I'm going to start with 1 or 2 drops and just let that sit for a little bit. Then I'll blend it out. I'm just gonna let that sit. The beauty, the queen, the Selena Gomez Rare Beauty has launched, and I just knew I had to pick it up from Sephora because it's Selena Gomez. I've watched her since when I was a little girl. One of my favorite TV shows that I watched. I don't know if you guys heard of it, but it's called Wizard of Waverly Place with like Max and Justin. That really good show when I saw her launch the makeup line, and she has such a beautiful voice. I should probably blend out my before it gets. Let's blend this out. I don't know how to blend this out. I've never used liquid highlighters before, so like what is the proper technique to do it? I don't know, but we're just gonna blend it out because this is my first time using it, so we are gonna do the best as we can. Okay, a little goes a long way. The 2 dots that I put on my cheeks, look at that blinding highlighter. You can see how blinding this is. Hey guys, my camera completely overexhausted itself. It completely overheated with this camera, so I am back. Turning that on. What was I on? Okay, so I was reviewing this highlighter drops. That is my first time using it. Blend it out with my finger, if that's the right way of blending out a liquid highlighter, but it's absolutely beautiful. I love how it's just, look, glow girl. It looks like a glow within. It looks so good. I really love the highlighter. It just feels weird using a liquid one because I always love my powdered highlighter, and it's just like one of my go-to favorites. Which one do you guys prefer? Kind of highlighter that you guys go for. So the review on this one of my experience, just applying it is really easily. It applies really creamy and nice consistency. It looks really nice. Camera, do not overheat. So just the way, if you're looking for something that's kind of like a natural with a glowy highlight, you can build it up 100% for sure. But you could also go naturally if you want more of like a minimal natural makeup day. Or sometimes you want to go natural, sometimes you want to do a full beat, full glam. So you have those 2 options that you could do, and you could do this with this. This goes a long way, so just add a little bit. Start with 1 or 2 dots first, and then start to build it up if it's not enough for you. But a little goes a long way. So this is really good. It's really pigmented, as you could tell. This is from 2 dots on my face. And look at that. That is so glowy. If you think this is too glowy, you could notch it down, just put 1 dot. But I really love like this glowy highlighter. It's so pretty. Let's try this. I'm gonna also add this here on my nose. It has kind of like a pink hue to it, which is really pretty, as you guys can see. It has like a pink hue. It feels so silky. Probably should have just done 1 or 2 dots. I did like 4 dots. From afar, it looks cute, but then when you go up close, I don't know if you guys can tell, like on the sides, it's not completely blended properly. How do you blend that in? I don't have to worry about using powder, but with this, I'm just gonna try to blend it out with this beauty blender. I love the highlighter. They're pigmented, so a little goes a long way. So if you use it add 1-2 dots, and then start blending it out. And let me know how you guys like this liquid highlighter. Have you guys tried her brand before? Do you guys like any of her brands? Like, what have you tried that you like?